Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. A breakfast quesadilla recipe is perfect with eggs to spice up your morning. Fluffy eggs and crispy tortilla make this speedy recipe great for breakfast or brunch. The mild cheese, onion and peppers offer the perfect mix of flavors. And thinking of taking mom to brunch for Mother's Day? This year consider the gift of breakfast in bed instead. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So first for this recipe I made scrambled eggs and I used my fluffiest and the best scrambled egg recipe. I already shared this recipe with you guys and I will link that down below for you. So just make a scrambled egg and then transfer it onto the platter and let it cool down completely. Then in the same fry pan, heat some olive oil like around a tablespoon, add some chopped peppers and onions and then season them with some salt and black pepper and saute them for like 5-10 minutes or until they are soft, and then transfer them onto another platter until we start assembling our quesadillas. Now in the same fry pan, add butter and let it get melt. You can call it a one-pot recipe. Then I add my tortilla and my heat is on medium right now. Then I sprinkle some Mexican cheese, which is a mix of shredded cheddar and mozzarella. You can use either one of them as well. Then take a handful of your sauteed vegetables and sprinkle on top of your cheese. Then add your crumbled up scrambled eggs on top of this cheesy and vegetable mixture. Then I sprinkle some more cheese on top. I prefer to use a lot of cheese. First, it will taste good of course, and second, cheese will act as a glue in this recipe. Then I sprinkle some crushed red peppers on it, and that's totally optional. Then I put another piece of flour tortilla, press it lightly and let it cook for like a minute or two, and now it's time to flip. You can use 2 spatulas to do that, but I find this method easier, and how I do it, I just put a little big platter then a fry pan on top of it and very carefully flip the quesadilla on top of my platter and then transfer the quesadilla back again from the uncooked side at the bottom into the fry pan and let it cook for a few more minutes until the bottom is crispy too, and then transfer them onto a cutting board and cut into wedges. Here I have 3 different variations. One was without onion, one was with everything, and one was only egg and cheese. Yeah, this is how we roll it here. I wish you guys can hear that crispiness while I was cutting these breakfast quesadillas. The crispy tortilla from outside and gooey, cheesy, eggy mixture inside. They're ready to serve right now. You can top them off with some sour cream, avocados. I served with a side of mango salsa and that was perfect pairing. With a side of fruit and a juice, you can have it with a cup of coffee as well. Weekend mornings are special, a chance to take my time making breakfast. Sometimes though, I don't want to linger over cooking. I want a special breakfast made quickly so that I can sit sipping coffee. On those weekend mornings, these breakfast quesadillas are the answer. And if you're trying on Mother's Day or any other day, don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this. And don't forget to subscribe.